Dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to deactivate account on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to deactivate account on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now how to deactivate account. Click on account. You can see there is a last option, deactivate or delete account. Click on this and you can see two options, delete, deactivate account and delete account permanently. Here you have two types of deactivation. If you want to deactivate account temporary, then click on this or click on deactivate. Your account will be deactivated on your device. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.